Friends, let's talk about the vendors. I'll start with Silver Peak, which has been acquired by HP, and they are doing reasonably well in this SD-WAN market. They have good market share. There is Riverbed, there is Cisco Viptela. This complete course is dedicated on this. Viptela was a company acquired by Cisco to stay in the market, and they are doing reasonably well as well because they have huge customer base. It is very easy for them to penetrate into the market. There are a couple of other players like Fortinet and Citrix NetScaler. There is VeloCloud of VMware, and they also have good customer base, and they are expanding their business to small customers as well. VeloCloud was a company similar to Silver Peak and Viptela, and it has been acquired by VMware because they are a big brand name. Now there are a couple of really big players like AT&T, NTT, Juniper. They also have built their own SD-WAN solution, and they're offering it to their existing enterprise or large scale customers. Few other names like Open Systems and CloudGenix are also selling the solution. The list goes on and on and on. Actually, this SD-WAN solution is based on software. That is why we are witnessing many vendors in this field. Now the question is which vendor to select, what capabilities we should check. I have listed down some of the points which you can refer. First point is that the SD-WAN solution should have capability to work over any type of physical transport or link like 4G, plain internet LTE, broadband, MPLS, satellite link, IPsec tunnel, microwave, any type of transport link. Means the WAN edge routers should be able to form overlay tunnel on these transport links. Then the vendor should build SD-WAN solution which can do immediate failover in case of physical link outage. Let's say that you are doing load sharing for certain applications over 3 links: 4G, MPLS and plain internet. And let's say MPLS is down. Then the SD-WAN solution should immediately fail over to other links for rest of the traffic, right? There should not be any application performance issue. An SD-WAN solution should be very simplified because there is no design of our existing traditional network. Because in many cases what happened, one person opened a small office, it worked really well, he opened 5 new offices. Generally, people have not followed any particular design for WAN. They simply kept on adding the devices on the basis of the revenues they garnered. So the SD-WAN vendor should provide simplest solution for your traditional WAN. Actually, the issue with traditional WAN is that the routers are not cloud friendly and the design is not very good for SaaS applications. For example, if I'm sitting at home, I'm able to access the SaaS applications with almost zero delay. When I go to my office, I face little difficulty because my branch office is connected to the centralized office and then they have internet link. So ultimately, the SaaS applications traffic is getting black hole. It's a kind of black holing. The traffic goes from your branch office to central office. But the question is, why can't we use our local internet at branch office? It's just that the traditional WAN is not very simple to manage. That is why this SD-WAN has come. So once you move further in this course, you will understand how easy it is. The fourth point, the SD-WAN solution should have the automation capability on the basis of performance of the network and application. Means the SD-WAN solution should monitor the jitter, delay, spikes, outages, intermittent connectivity of network as well as of applications. And it should be intelligent enough to take further actions so that there is no slowness for SaaS applications or voice applications. You can make groups of these applications on the basis of criticality because some applications can be really critical. So you can say that this group of applications should be provided high performance. Right now I'm just giving you very high level points to understand before selecting the SD-WAN vendor. Fifth point, SD-WAN vendor should provide support of any type of SaaS applications. All applications should be supported. Then there is capability of good analytics reporting of network as well as application for troubleshooting. Means we should be able to analyze the performance of our network using SD-WAN solution to make further business decisions. And the vendor should have solution which can integrate with any type of other vendors for other applications. Like there is Zscaler vendor. Checkpoint is there, MailChimp application is there. So all type of vendors and the applications should be able to get integrated with our SD-WAN solution. And the vendor should offer multiple type of deployment options. You will learn about it in coming chapters. And a vendor should have round the clock support for any kind of assistance. They should also offer you training for your staff about SD-WAN. And select a vendor which has good history, good track record in WAN innovation. Don't simply select a new vendor. You should check all the features. Alright, so this is just a high level overview about how to select SD-WAN solution. Okay friends, so see you in the next chapter.